Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we explore real-time emotion detection using Python. Here we use emotion detection.h5 file and cascade file. This is our Python script for real-time emotion detection. Here we detect 5 emotions: angry, happy, sad, surprise, and neutral. Now we execute our Python script. Detected the happy emotion. Detected the angry emotion. Detected the surprise emotion. Detected the neutral emotion. Detected the happy emotion. Detected the sad emotion. Detected the angry emotion. Thank you for watching. Please share your valuable comments and don't forget to subscribe.